So guys, Samsung has recently launched the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus in India, and today I am having the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Although I couldn't get hands on the complete box, but the sponsor of this video, NK Gallery, somehow arranged me the S9 Plus. So you continue watching this video as I am going to show you the first flagship of 2018. Hey guys, this is Piyush from Tech Telepathy, and today I am going to give the overview of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's get started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. The phone in this video is sponsored by NK Gallery. Check description for more information. So guys, today I am having the coral blue Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with me. Although there will be no unboxing today, but I am very happy that I got the phone very early. A big thanks to the sponsors. On holding that phone, it feels quite premium and the design is also very gorgeous. The phone is having 6.2-inch 18:9 Super AMOLED screen whose protection is done by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The same Gorilla Glass 5 can be found on the back side also. You are getting power button on the right side and the volume rocker and the Bixby button on the left. Coming to the top, we are having secondary noise cancellation microphone and the SIM card slot. The SIM card slot is a hybrid SIM card slot in which you can either add 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card or a micro SD card of up to 400 GB. That's sweet. Now coming to the bottom of the phone, we still have the headphone jack. Yeah guys, the headphone jack is still there on the flagship of Samsung, and this deserves a huge applause. On its side, it's having USB-C charging port, a primary microphone and the first speaker of the phone. The second speaker is on the earpiece, as this phone is having a stereo speaker setup. The stereo speaker setup is tuned by AKG, which Samsung claims is 60% more louder than the Samsung Galaxy S8. This is awesome! The phone is also having a dual camera setup, and it's the first Galaxy S series smartphone to adopt a dual camera setup. Both the cameras are 12 megapixel lens, but the primary camera can vary the aperture between f1.5 to f2.4, which gives amazing shots. The secondary camera is having aperture of f2.4 and it's having 2x optical zoom, which will help to click amazing portrait shots. On the sides of camera, we are having LED flash and the heart rate monitor. The one thing they have changed is the position of the fingerprint reader. The fingerprint reader is now beneath the camera, which is a very smart move by Samsung. The front camera is of 8 megapixels with autofocus support and aperture of f1.7. Moving towards other details of internals, this device is having 3500 mAh battery, Samsung's Exynos 9810 processor with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. So this is the main overview of the device. On top of the phone, we are getting all the sensors like the proximity sensor, ambient light sensor and the iris scanner, which is now enhanced with face recognition technology to create a more effective biometric authentication. But by far the biggest new features that people are looking for into Galaxy S9 are in the cameras. Yeah guys, the camera of this phone has tons of new features like the cool AR emojis. You can scan your face or you can use the predefined cartoons. You can also create the custom AR stickers by scanning your face. The camera UI is also very refined, and we are now having super slow motion mode, in which we can record 240 frames per second at 1080p, which is nice, and it will also do 960 frames per second at 720p. That's lit. Even though the length of 720p video is 0.2 seconds, but it can be stretched to 6 seconds by the super slow motion mode. The front camera's focus mode can give blur in the background. There's also better UI in camera app for swiping different modes just like in iPhones. There is some Bixby improvements also. It can do object recognition like what Google Lens is doing, and it can also translate signs in different languages. This seems quite cool. So these are all the things about the Samsung's Galaxy S9 Plus. It's for sure the phone that was expected to be. Premium display, best-in-class hardware, excellent camera and good pricing. This surely is a device that should be considered for. So you do tell me in the comment section below, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus? I hope you like my video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting gadgets like this in the future. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and see you in the next one.